I just use this plastic corking in spatula thingy. Push it right up into the very corner of that. Let's see. There's an angle on there, so we need to be careful. So I'm going to start from here. And we're just going to go straight through, up into that coving line. Nice and careful. Follow it. Press it through there with a bit of pressure just to make sure we're on the right line. Then same again. Just cut it right through. To the bottom. Now I'm going to turn this blade over after those cuts, because I'm doing this one straight down the wall line now. And as we saw before, there's a little bit of a kink in the pattern there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to trim it with my scissors, get a bit closer to where that is, so we can see exactly what's going on. Nice. Stops there. Okay, so let's start there. And right through into the corner. Not finished yet. Pieces of scrap straight in the bin. Forgot to mention you will need a sponge and a little bucket of water there. What this is for is to take off the excess paste from the top, the bottom. Quickly go up the side there. Give it a rinse out. And then the joint that we have just done, in case there's any paste came through there. And then that is me just putting a couple of pieces of paper up. I need to go around obviously and do the rest. But coming from a corner out, and then doing the cuts. The cuts are the same on every part of the wall, the top, the bottom, the edge when you get into an edge. These little infill slits here, I'll come to those and I'll do another little video for those, and I will do another little video coming into the backs of these plug sockets. But everything else is pretty much the same, other when it comes to the chimney breast, and I'll do another one then.